Hello everybody, this is Stephanie with Charmed Southern Home, and welcome to my sale here for Christmas in July on Virtual Home Decor Marketplace. If you're catching the replay, let me know that you're watching the replay, and maybe let me know where you're watching from too. So hello, let me know if you're able to hear me and see me okay and all that. I can't see comments, but you can give me some hearts or something, maybe that'll help. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get started since we've only got 15 minutes. So this is my first item tonight. This is a snowman that I made. He is made of fleece, and I don't know if it shows up on the camera, but there is like a sparkle to the in the fleece. It's made into it. It's not anything that's going to rub off or anything like that, but he does sparkle. He has a bell there around his neck and buttons. And he is number 119, $24. He's about 14 inches tall. Number 119 for $24 for that little guy. Okay. All right. Welcome to this sale. I hope everybody's been enjoying. And if you're new, if you see something you like, just comment sold with the number. And then leave me your email and zip code so that I can invoice you. And this is my only sale this weekend, so I'll be invoicing after the after my show. All right, next one. I have this gorgeous tote bag. Look how pretty this one is. And it has the design on both sides, and even in the middle it has some of the design. It holds a lot. I have 2 of these available, and they are $22. They're number 199 for $22. You could use this as a gift bag for somebody. Fill it up with some goodies. Let them have the bag and everything in it. Okay, next one. I have this old lantern that I decorated, and it was missing the glass, so I decorated it up with some greenery and snowman. It's got a rusty bell there on the top of it. It's number 135. It's $26. 135 for 26. Okay. And I've got this cute primitive snowman. He has a rusty bell, berries on his hat, and his little legs hang. He looks cute to sit on like a mantle or on a shelf or something. Let his legs hang over the side. He's number 158 for 32. I only have one of this guy. 158. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show this one real quick. I showed this in my preview the other day. This is a really cute set, just to have to decorate with. It's actually a stationery set. It's got snowman cards in there. The bottom, the front of this opens, has a drawer in it with goodies in there too. So if you'd like this, I only have one. This is a one of a kind. It's number 152. It's $14. 152 for $14. Okay. Then I have this snowman guy. He has the writing on it. Says, "In the meadow, we could build a snowman." He's number 163, and he is 14. 163 for $14. Well, this one's a handmade one. He's all painted and cut out by hand, and he is going to be number 155 for $22. And his back is painted as well. He's got felt buttons with little jute bows on there. I have another one of this snowman like the one I showed at the very beginning. This was the got the sparkly fleece or felt. You can't see that sparkle on the camera, but it is there. And then he has sparkly buttons, and it's got a silver bell, and he's number 130 for $24. And these are cute. Just tuck them just about anywhere. Set them in a little basket or on a table or something. And I can make more of these. And if you want a different color scarf, let me know, and I'll see if it's something I can get or if I have it already. So I can make more of these. All right, next. These, I have 2 different versions, or 2 different scarf colors for these. This was an old granulated sugar cloth bag, and I've cut it up and made snowmen, little primitive snowmen out of it. It's got a tag on there, and it's number 175 for $24. I have 2 with the blue stripe scarf. So 2 of those. And it's got that primitive kind of grungy look to it and on the fabric. So there's 2 of those. And then I also have him with the red scarf. And that was $192 if you like the red scarf. And he's got the little tag and everything too. Okay, can you get that up in there? Alright, next I have this, it's an old Christmas card box. And I just decorated it up. I thought it would be cute. You could set it underneath a tree, a small tree, or tuck it into a tray or a bowl or something like that. It's number 182 and it is $10. 182 for $10. It's neat. I like the vintage Christmas pieces. So. Next I have this Campbell's soup thermos that I've painted. It's got a snowman on there and he's sparkly, but it doesn't come off. It's just a little sparkle on there. And he is number 166 for $14. Next I have a snow lady. She does have a weighted bottom. She's got a flower there on her cap and she's holding a set of little teacups. She is going to be number 120 and she's $24. 120 for $24. Next one, I had this tea kettle. I couldn't decide what to paint on it and ended up just using it as a holder for a floral arrangement. You could leave this out all winter long and not just at Christmas. It's number 144 and it is $22. 144. Okay, I have another one of the primitive snowmen. It says snow play on a winter day. He is number 116 for $14. Let's see, go ahead and do this real quick. This is I think it was a pepper grinder, and I turned him into a snowman. I filled him with some fake snow, and he's all painted up and has his scarf on. He's number 157, and he is $12. Next one, I have a sifter, and I forgot to turn on the candle. So there's the candle. So it's got a reindeer, and I made the scarf for the reindeer to match the scarf that's around the sifter. And then it's got a little bag here. It says reindeer feed. It's number 173, and it is $24. And this candle is a timer. Once you turn it on, then it will stay on for 6 hours. And then it will be off for 18. And that's the back of that. Okay, I have these candles. These I have 3 of these available. Snowman timer candles. These are I forgot to put batteries in that one. They are also timers, so they're on for 6 hours, off for 18. It's number 178, and those are $9. I have 3 of those. Okay, I have a thermos that I painted. A frosty hot cocoa bar with a snowman, and I love this plaid design that was on there already. And this is number 164. It's $20. 164 for 20. Okay. We'll just put that down. Okay. Then I have, this is a really neat lunch box. And I painted the snowman and I put Believe in the Magic. And there's the top. It's got some bows, greenery. It does have like the original like little case and everything still inside of it. And this is number 198 and it is $24. And if you ever get tired of looking at the snowman, you can always just flip it around and have the other side showing. I know a lot of you guys like Precious Moments things. I found this music box. It does light up somewhere there. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's a little light underneath her dress, And you just unscrew this little gold cap to change the batteries in it. And it plays Hark the Herald Angels Sing. It's number 148 and it is $14. 148 for $14. Then I have an old cheese box and I made a kind of a gingerbread arrangement in there. These items are just placed in here so you don't have to leave them. It's not permanent. You can change them out and use the box for other things if you want to. There's the back of it. It's number 149 and it's $28. 149 for $28. Okay. And I have this cute penguin gourd that I found, and he is got a little red and white scarf. He's number 167, $12. I only have one. Here's the back of him. Okay. I have a cute snowman head that I made. He has a wooden nose. It's got buttons for mouth and eyes. Got my tag covered up. I always drop at least one number during the show usually. All right, he's number 129 and it's $22. And I can make more of these. I have this wooden snowman. He's a little chubby snowman. He does have wooden blocks on the back, so he will stand up. He is number 102 for $18. 102 for $18. He has a little heart there up under his scarf there. And I have this cute set of lights. Turn it on and off. They're on the bottom, and it's number 132. It's $10. I only have one of these. 132 for $10. I have another snowman, all handmade. And I can make more of these, or I can also make different color scarves. Number 136 for $22. Here's the back of him. Okay, then I have a chunky gingerbread face. It's all hand painted. The back is just solid. It's $122 for $12. 122 for $12. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask them in the comments. I'll check after I get off of here. I can't see any comments right now from my screen. I just love this piece. This is a cute Boyd's Bear Christmas bear. I'm not sure what year or anything like that, but her legs are kind of jointed and she's weighted. And she is number 186 for $20. She would look so cute in a wagon underneath a tree. Then I have this sign that is number 169 and it is $12. I made a bow there to go on the corner of it, and it does have a jute hanger. And then I have this door hanger. It's on like a galvanized metal sign with a jute hanger. Santa with his little primitive stars. I added a bow at the top. So this is thin and it would fit between, if you have like a storm door, it would fit. So $162 for $22 for that one. And I think that's all I have for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Some things I can make more of, some things I can't. Up next is Handmade by Mary Ann. So be sure to refresh your screen once I'm off of here. And if you placed an order, be sure you leave me your email and zip code, or you can message me those privately. So I think that's it. So Merry Christmas in July. I hope you are enjoying our event this weekend. This was my only show for the weekend, so I'll be invoicing after this. So thanks everybody, and I'll see you again soon.